What is going on, guys? We're back with another video here today. So today we have 3 Prizm basketball cellos. So they have the red, white, and blue prisms, the bonus pack of 3 cards. Same as football. Try to get a bunch of these on Target.com. You can only get 3 per day. So I think I have 6 more coming in the next week or two. But there is a limit, so I wasn't able to get more than I wanted to because it's not 3 every day. I guess it's 3. I don't know. If you have too many orders at once, it won't let you. So kind of stinks, but let's get right into it. Okay, so this is really small print. You can go ahead and pause it if you want to see what you can get out of here. So any prism you want to get your hands on, regardless of the, what's it called, format, cellos, hangers, blasters, mega boxes. I personally enjoy the blasters this year, but all formats are different for each person. So we'll open up the 3 normal packs first, then we'll get into the bonus. And these are $14.99 a piece. I'm pretty sure football was the same, but Optic, I want to say, maybe not Optic, but one of the sets has I think Select Football is what, $19.99 for, and those are hanger packs, never mind. All right, Robert Covington, Dirk Nowitzki, Luka, Denny, Lonnie Walker, Klay Thompson, Dominance, Jokic, Kings, not a rookie, Tyrese Halliburton. Green is also not a rookie, Serge Ibaka, Karis LeVert, Devin Booker, and Kyle Kuzma. So no rookie in that pack. That is unfortunate. Did get a green though, so that was cool. Another green here. Kessler Edwards, Patrick Ewing, Josh Giddey, I'll take that. Julius Randle, Jaden McDaniels, John Wall, James Harden on the dominance, silver Royce O'Neal. The green is Spurs, not a rookie. Al-Farouq Aminu, Tyrese Halliburton, Draymond Green, and Theo Maledon. Last pack, here we go. This is going to be a quick one too, so Anthony Hardaway, Bam, Miles McBride, Nickeil Alexander-Walker, Andre Drummond, Cedi Osman, Rui Hachimura, Onyeka Okongwu, the green Magic, please be a rookie. Not a rookie. Tracy McGrady, Isaiah Stewart, Ty Jerome, and Markelle Fultz. So those were not good, but here we go. Red, white, and blue can save us. These things are impossible to open. Holy smokes. There we go. Duncan Robinson, Reggie Bullock. We get a rookie for the last one. Thunder. Rookie. Ah, Aaron Wiggins. Dang, that would have been dope. And then one of those. That would have been sweet. That was a nice little troll job, but I'll take 3 rookies. Caruso, Boucher, Raptors, rookie. No way. No way we get trolled twice. David Johnson. Yeah, we're going to get trolled. Red, white, and blue. It's just not going to be kind to us. Jokic, Sadiq Bey. Last one is a rookie for the Grizzlies. Look at that damage on that card. Zaire Williams. And Sadiq Bey's banged up too right there. This one was just poorly packaged, I guess. Oops, it's unfortunate. But that's it for the video today, guys. Thank you for tuning in, and peace out.